dolphins swimming in the sea, playing like me, la 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 la. My sea friends live deep down inside the ocean.
Hello, my name is Mark, and today we are going to draw a goat in a boat. Let's draw. First we draw the goat. Goats have 4 legs and a tail, like this. There's the tail. There's the legs. Now let's draw the goat's head and face. A little head and eyes and a nose. Yes, there we go. Now let's draw the goat's ears and horns. Goats have funny horns. They don't make noise. They just stick up in the air. They have good ears. I think I forgot something. Oh yeah, the boat. There you go. There's a little boat and some waves. The goat in the boat. I think the goat needs some help. Hold on, goat. There we go. Well, thanks for drawing with us today. See you later.
Tootie, do you see any land out there?
Nope. Just waves and seagulls. Wait, I think I hear a whale.
That was my tummy. I'm getting hungry.
Yeah! Hey, where are we gonna find food in the middle of the ocean?
Looks like our friends need some snacks. Here you go.
Whoa! Wow! I got one!
Yeah! There are sandwiches in here! Yeah! What's wrong, Broby?
Oh, nothing.
Hey, you're not eating your snack!
I don't like sandwiches.
Have you ever tried one?
No, I've never tried a sandwich.
Roby, you should try it. You might like it. Try it. You'll like it. Try it. You'll like it.
I don't know.
Try it. You'll like it. Try it. You'll like it. I know it's new and you never tasted it.
You'll just have to trust in me.
Just give it a try.
Okay. Wow!
Yeah! All right!
I like it! I like it! I tried it, and now I like it! I like it! I like it! I tried it, and now I like it! Yay! Wow! I'm going to eat my whole sandwich! All right! I'm going to eat!
Yeah!
In my tummy, party, party!
Yeah!
In my tummy,
Your sandwich!
Yeah.
In my tummy, party, party!
Yeah.
In my tummy!
there's a party in my tummy!
So yummy, so yummy!
There's a party in my tummy!
So yummy, so yummy! There's a party in my tummy! So yummy, so yummy!
There's a party in my tummy!
So yummy, so yummy! There's a party in my tummy! So yummy, so yummy!
There's a party in my tummy!
Yummy, yummy!
Thanks, guys, for helping me try my sandwich. I really liked it, and now there's a party in my tummy.
Yeah!
Well, let's do it.
I like the duck!
Hey guys, the Super Music Friends Show is on.
have a sandwich with Reeve Oliver and their hit song, I Like Sandwiches. I like sandwiches.
I like eating sandwiches for lunch and dinner. There are so many chances to eat a good sandwich in so little time now. We can go to the beach and lay out a blanket and open a basket. And inside there's so many sandwiches I put in my hand and start on my first one. You found a submarine and I got a hoagie. And we're both smiling, eating. Let's do it again soon. La 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 la. La 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 la. I like eating sandwiches for lunch and dinner. There are so many chances to eat a good sandwich in so little time now. You found a submarine and I got a hoagie. And we're both smiling, eating. Let's do it again soon. La 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 la. I love my sandwiches. La 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 la. I love my sandwiches. La 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 la. I love my sandwiches. La 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 la.
Listening and dancing to music is awesome!
We must be getting close. The map says there's a big red X right here. But I don't see any X's.
Oh, Tootie! X marks the spot on the map we're looking for.
Oh! Hey, do you hear something?
Hey, yeah! It's music!
I see something! I see something! What is it? It's an island! And there's someone on it!
Wow! This is fun and exciting! DJ Lance was right!
Yeah! Wow! We're almost to an island! Wow!
Well, hello there. My name's Shelly, and this here's my saltwater fish band.
Hi, my name's Fufa. This is Plex,
Hi.
Bruno, Judy, and Ruby. Hi!
We've come from far, far away.
Are there any tropical islands where you come from?
Drop a what?
A tropical island. It's like a little jungle in the middle of the sea, like this one. We like to jam out here on the beach because it's the cool place to be. Beaches, beaches, so much fun. You can play all day in the sunny sun. Palm trees, warm sand. Everything is great on the island.
At the beach, it's a great day at the beach. Tropical island fun. It's a great day under the sun. I like to sunbathe.
I like it in the cool shade.
Finding shells and coconuts too. So many things that you can do. At the beach, it's a great day at the beach. Tropical
You guys are all right.
Well, I think it's time to go back home. But thanks for showing us your tropical island ways.
Anytime, my friends, anytime. Come back and see us again real soon. Okay, boys. 1, 2, 3.
It's such a long way home. How are we gonna make it back?
DJ Lance, can you help us?
I sure can. Did you guys have a fun time on your boat?
My name is Mickey. I like to dance. Story time. Once upon a time, there lived a tiny magic people called the Manahoonis. The Manahoonis lived in the islands of the South Pacific Ocean. Late at night, when people were asleep, the Manahoonis would work and build wonderful things. But when the sun came up, they would always stop working and go play. One night, the big volcano on their island started to rumble and growl. Volcanoes were dangerous, so they worked very hard all night to build these little boats called canoes. They had to work fast so that they could escape in the little boats. But as the sun began to rise, the Manahoonis stopped working. They got tired of work and wanted to play. Tulo, the youngest Manahooni, said, "Everyone, come on! We've got to finish building these canoes so we can get off this island." Just then, the volcano erupted. Tulo said, "Come on, let's finish what we started." Okay, brother. They finished the little canoe boats and sailed away just in time. The Manahoonis found a new, safer island to call home. And this island did not have a volcano. The end.
Hi, I'm Jalila, and my cool trick is the Tahitian dance from the islands. I'm Jalila, and my cool trick is the Tahitian dance from the islands.
Yo! Hi! It's almost time to go.
Aww.
But first, let's remember all the fun things we did today.
Okay!
First, we got in our boat and sailed through the ocean.
So I thought I'd fly by and just say, "Fly!"
Then, Broby tried a sandwich, and he liked it.
I tried it, and now I like it.
And finally, we met some cool new friends on the beach.
It's a great day at the beach.
All right, today was a totally nautical day.
Yeah!
Now it's time to dance.
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Well, let's do it. I'll break it down.
In my tummy, party, party. There's a party in my tummy. Yum, 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 yummy.
I love the party in my tummy.
I see you're on a boat trip, so I thought I'd fly by and just say, "Fly!"
Yes, we're on a boat trip. We're gonna have fun and
big time today. Thanks for playing with us. See you next time. Bye. Here we go. Yo, Gabba Gabba!
Here. The Upside Down Show is coming up next. But first, it's puzzle time! Let's play a marvelous memory game. First, we need to find the 2 green apples. If you see one, tell me where it is.
There's one.
All right! You found one. Now, where is the other one?
It's right there.
Yes, sirree! That's it. Now your job is to remember where they are. We'll keep playing when we come back.